Let's talk about winners and losers on Wall Street now. Time to introduce financial expert Rob Black with the latest on this. And Rob, I was looking at the markets this morning. It looks like tech stocks are really beating up the NASDAQ. They're off by more than 200 points. But the Dow up by more than 200. I think, does that put us into new record territory for them?
Yes. Last year we had 70 record highs throughout the year on the S&P 500. This year we already have 2, but we opened stronger and we've gotten weaker. Tech stocks are pulling us back a little bit today. Daily COVID numbers have hit over 1 million, which is just crazy. That means the economy should start to freeze a little bit in the next 10 days. Will it, won't it? Cruise lines are enemy number 1 of the CDC at this point in time. So some problems are likely, some bumps. This year will be more turbulent than the last year, but turbulence doesn't bring down planes usually, is the idea. Theranos CEO and founder Elizabeth Holmes, she was convicted of 4 charges of fraud. She faces 80 years in prison and $1 million in fines. I think that's going to be made into a heck of a TV movie at some point in time. Pistachio lattes are back at Starbucks. I don't know what that means. Chipotle is issuing a plant-based chorizo, which again, I'm just confused right now. Like plant-based sausage doesn't even sound delicious.
Yeah. Well, you won't know until you try it. Don't knock it till you try it, Rob. You'll have to let us know. You said tech stocks were kind of pulling us down a little bit, but Apple, boy, Apple, $3 trillion market valuation now. That's, I mean, it's the most highly valued company in the world right now.
Yeah, and it's an interesting story, and I own shares of Apple, so I'm a little bit touting, and I don't want to. $3 trillion, it took them 16 months to go from $2 trillion